Divisoria, wala pang ligo-ligo. And I wanna show you kung ano yung mga napamili namin kanina. Ayoko na siya ipabukas o next week dahil hindi ko na naman ito magagawa. So, I am going to do it right now. Lahat ay naka-plastic pa. Yung iba naka-box pa. Well, except for this one na nilabas na namin. So, isa-isahin na natin yung mga napamili natin sa Divisoria. So, if interesado ka sa mga napamili ko sa Divisoria at baka meron kang mga makakatulong sa'yo, well, then just keep on watching. If you're new here in our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please, I'm just reminding you ahead of time, please hit the like button. Because here, I have here the electrical mosquito killer. So, ito ay pamatay ng mga lamok, langaw, at kung ano mong insekto. Best to invest in something like this kasi mahirap na magka-dengue. Diba? So, ito ay nasa 500 lang. Actually,
let me correct myself.
This is 600 pesos. Number one is this one, Air Purifier. And tadaan, nandito na siya. As you can see right here. Meron siyang LED. You can turn it on or off. And dito, pwede mo siyang i-control kung gaano kalakas or kahina mo siya gusto. Alright, so that's our air purifier. Magkano yan? This is 1,200 pesos. Ito yung lavender na blue water fragrance essential oil. So, dropper siya. Okay, there you go. I think mga 2 to 3 or you can go as far as 5 if you want. I mean, it's yours. You can do whatever you want. What is this? Tadaan! I got this clear vase. And pag pumunta ka sa mga all home, sa mga furniture stores, sa SM or sa Robinsons, this is gonna cost you siguro mga 800, 700, or probably 1,000. But doon, sa 168 ba yan? 199. Dong, yung vase.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
I'll find it out, okay? But definitely, this is around 230 pesos lang. So the plan is to put some beads inside and probably put a flower. So another one is this one. Pero I like the irregularity of it. I'm thinking of putting something inside. Malamang. I'm thinking of putting LED Christmas lights or firefly lights. Is that what you call it? Basta yung mga maliliit na lights na parang Christmas lights pero the smaller ones. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you know. And if you're asking, this is 150? 150. No, this is 200. 150. 150. Yeah, this is 150. So, dinala ko nito mga cute na egg stones that looks like marble, white, and then green, and then I got the black one. So, 50 pesos ang isa. And then I got these white river rocks, kung tawagin. Yun ang nakalagay. So, 50 pesos per package. I got 3. The plan is to fill up at least the vase. Also in the same store, nakuha ko itong bulaklak. Got 2 of these. And this is 150. This is 150. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, guys, kapag hinawakan mo, it's rubbery. So, it resembles the feel and the texture of the actual or the real flower. Ano kaya ito? So I got one of these acrylic na lalagyanan ng brushes. Kasi, as you know, here in the Philippines, it's dusty. So, we don't want to be using brushes na may dust. So, best to invest in something like this because we have to take care of our skin. So, I got this one for 500 pesos. May plastic pa siya. So, para hindi magasgasan. So, very good naman sila kasi hindi lang nila basta nilagay sa kahon. I mean, nilagyan nila ng plastic para hindi magasgas. So, diba? I got this king size na velvety na blanket. And for 500 pesos, that's a good deal. given na kapag binili mo to again in Robinsons and the likes, SM, it's gonna cost you 1,000 or so. And it's a good quality kasi may lining siya. Best of all, I like the pattern. So, okay. And now I want to share with you this one. Dapat to lalagyan na to ng mga shoes. Pero naisip ko, maganda rin siyang container ng mga makeup. So, if you pull it down, you can place makeups here, mga palettes, mga brushes, or whatever. But definitely, I like the fact that it's contained inside. Hindi siya maalikabukan and that you can bring it. I got 3. So you can stack them up together like that. Alright, so we are almost done. I got this one from Gladiator. This is Gladking. I got this one from Gladking. It's makeup palette. It's an acrylic one. So, tapos it comes with a spatula. Ayan. So, lately, I've been exploring on the makeup industry. Thanks to my Ate Jackie for allowing me to be part of her bridal fair back in Mega Mall. Nitong weekend lang. So, I joined her. And, yeah, so I'm gonna be exploring that. Ito rin, binili ko sa Gladking for 150. This one for 100 pesos. So, ito na yun. So, guys, there you have it. Yun ang ating Divisoria Haul Part 2 kasi meron ako nagawang Part 1 if you haven't seen it yet. I'll put down the link in the description box below. Pero, I believe mas marami ako nabili this time and mas ranging from house to makeup to pamatay ng lamok. I will mention to you, I got this for 100 pesos. Diba? If you picked up any discoveries from this video, please let me know in the comments down below because it would be a thrill knowing that I was able to share or impart something from this experience that I got from Divisoria. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations or advice or inputs that you'd like to share, please let me know kasi again, as I always say, this is not my channel, this is our channel and it's a partnership. So, without further ado, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna take a bath and just call it a day. And do not forget to channel your positivity and be a ray of sunshine to whoever you meet because you are. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!